I'm Marcus Schneider. That's Harley. That's Aiden. This is Schneider Classics. I supplied the tool that's all I'm consenting to here. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we need a new blade. This thing's fucked.
Yeah, there we go. I'll just be very careful.
When she lands on you wrong in bed.
Got that jackhammer dick wood.
So the reason I'm somewhat involved, his Camaro, and then my Camaro. Well, I mean, this is for this.
Oh, I don't
know. I think the wood blades just didn't get caught.
That's what it looks like, yeah. Like it's.
And it's true.
Got through.
Come on, pull it out, big boy.
Wow, Harley, your pull game's not very strong here. Oh, it's almost out. Come on. Come on, you bitch. Let's go. It's almost out. Look at it. Just hanging by a fucking thread.
This is why I don't like fucking Camaro mufflers.
They're big and bulky. You bend her out to the side, or you just fucking do straight down.
Yeah. What would you guys recommend? What do you think would look best to you? Because
I'd fucking probably like.
You're gonna melt your bumper like that.
No, it's far out enough. No. You need the fucking scrape it. So as they cut more over there, I'm just going to say this is a kind of mid advertisement with Camaro. Because I bought myself a Camaro because it was cheaper than a Chevy Cruze. I don't understand how. But if you guys want to support the channel and support more of these shenanigans, I just came here with a tool. That was my job. These are going to be hitting the store soon. Yeah. Now Cam's going to put these on his go-kart, right?
Oh man, he's got his dad. So.
But I mean for this pipe to go.
Yeah, no, like.
Well, this ain't my idea. Don't put my name on this. I brought the saws on. That's about all I contributed.
Just putting it on like that, eh?
Yeah.
Like right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2.
Okay. Just leaving the camera there anyways.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Pull it off, but you can also throw tips on like that.
I think it's pretty good as it is. I'm not doing that till I know that I'm gonna keep it like this.
Oh, that works.
I don't know how the fuck I'm supposed to cut this together.
You got it.
I need to be able to see what I was fucking doing.
I believe in you.
There we go.
Oh yeah, baby.
Got another bolt or something that we can just...
I don't know where the bolt is.
Harley, do we have a bolt that you can give me for this? You ready?
Yep. It's not bad. It's loud.
Just wait, it revs high and then it goes down.
Sounds like a V6, but it's got a little bit of a rumble.
It does have a rumble.